In this video, we're going to be looking at using the distributive property and factoring using greatest common factor. For my first example, I'm going to start off by distributing everything in the parentheses by 2x. So we multiply 2x times 3x. That gives me 6x squared. Then I'm going to multiply 2x times 4. And that is 8x. So you can see that I have my final answer is 6x squared plus 8x. In this example, I need to factor, and I'm going to do that by finding the greatest common factor. So what is the biggest number that goes into 2 and 12, which is 2. And then I want to look at the variables and see if there's a variable in common that I can factor out, and there's not. So inside the parentheses, I'm going to have x minus 6. Now I can always go back and check by using the distributive property. Multiply everything inside the parentheses by 2. You get 2x minus 12, which is what you started with. In this example, I'm still going to be factoring out the greatest common factor. And looking at the numbers, 5 and 20, my greatest common factor is 5. When I look at the variables, there's an x in common, so my greatest common factor is 5x. So when I factor out the 5x, I'm left with x minus 4 inside the parentheses. So there's my final answer.